So you're thinking about moving to Gulf Shores, Alabama. Well, today we are going to walk you through this really cute 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo in the middle of Gulf Shores. We are block to 59. This is Fort Morgan Road here, or 1 mile to the beach. Excellent location. This is a gated community. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. It is 1,239 square feet, and we scored this condo for our clients for $270,000. Can't wait for you to come check it out, so come take a look with us. Hey guys, if this is your first time to the channel, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe button, and ring the little bell so you can be one of the first ones to learn everything there is to know about the current market conditions in Gulf Shores, Orange Beach, and surrounding areas. My name is Aileen Fountain, along with my partner Andy Hollis and our entire team. We do these videos each and every week just to be informative, just to let you know what it's like to actually live here. So whether it's 9 days or 90 days from when you're thinking about making your move, give us a call, shoot us a text, email us, set up a Zoom. We'd love to meet with you face to face. Get calls and texts and emails from people just like you every single day, and we absolutely love it. So as I mentioned, we're going to walk through this really cute 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo in Gulf Shores. You've got 10-foot ceilings in here, really nice, well-appointed, updated. This building, this complex was built in 2006. It's 1,239 square feet. Guys, the taxes on this property are $900 a year. The condo dues are $526 a month. You are definitely going to want to check this one out. So come take a look with us.
Golden sunlight on the water, waking up to something new. Top floor views like a dream come true. Ocean breeze through the shutters, whispering your name. Every moment here, it just won't fade. Step outside, feel the sand in your soul. Watch the sunset paint the sky with gold. From the patio, the world slows down. This is paradise, this is home now. Toes in the sand, heart in the tide, living that Gulf Shore state of mind. Every wave sings a melody. This ain't just a house, it's a symphony, where the palm trees sway and the good times roll.
All right, come in and got a nice living room here. Feels very spacious in here. 10-foot ceilings, beautiful tile floors. To the left, you've got a really nice, huge walk-in coat closet. And right here to the right, we come in and we've got our first guest bathroom. Beautiful 10-foot ceilings, 9-foot doors. And here is the guest bedroom. Got nice plantation shutters. Entryway there into the guest bathroom. In here is going to be the laundry room. AC closet here. Some storage there. Hot water heater. Nice little eat-in breakfast nook there. Love the plantation shutters here. Really sets this unit apart. Stainless steel appliances, nice kitchen. Nice, big, spacious primary bedroom. Got a door there to the back patio. And we got a big walk-in closet in here. Nice big closet. Love that. Double vanity. Large mirror. A nice walk-in shower here. Tiled. Let's go check out the back patio. Nice patio here, faces the south. And it is such a foggy day. I'm really sad about that. You can't see the water. On a clear day, which would be more normal, you could see all the way to the lagoon, because here's Fort Morgan Road right here. And being that we face south, you can literally watch the sunrise and sunset from your balcony right here. Super cool.
Every wave sings a melody. This ain't just a house, it's a symphony, where the palm trees sway and the good times roll. Yeah, this is home, let the rhythm take control. Granite counter, southern style, open space for friends to stay. Tile floors shine like the ocean bay. Lush green gardens, laughter in the air. You can feel the love everywhere. Step outside, feel the sand in your soul. Watch the sunset paint the...
Super excited for our buyers here that picked up this condo. You know, they actually lived on a boat for 3 years before moving here, and before that lived in an RV for 3 years. These people have lived all over the world and the United States, and they decided that they wanted to call Gulf Shores, Alabama their home. And so I was asking them, you know, why they picked Gulf Shores, of course. And you know, some of the reasons were the climate, low cost of living, just really felt like they would align with the locals here as far as, you know, how their lifestyle is, and thought that they would fit right in. And so far they are absolutely loving it here. They had visited several times and just decided, you know, Gulf Shores is going to be it. It's where we're going to set our roots down and live out their retirement. And so this condo is actually really big for them, because they'd been living on a boat. And so they're absolutely loving it here. And then, you know, they said, you know, we're a mile from the beach, and to get this size of a property for this kind of price, they just, you know, said they can't beat it. Can't beat it anywhere in the whole country to get everything that our community has to offer for this price. So anyway, we're super excited for them, and I feel like we scored them a great deal on a beautiful condo, great location. Actually, when I first moved to Gulf Shores, I lived a couple blocks this way. And I used to take this walking path. I used to run all the time, run and bike along this walking path all the time. An excellent, wonderful feature of this location and this property is that walking path. I loved it when I lived here. And anyway, it's a great spot. We are half a mile to 59 this way. You've got this way here, just a few miles, you've got the boat launch at Moe's Landing, so you could launch your boat there if you had one. This is a gated community, and if you stick around, I will show you the pool. It's got a pool, clubhouse, it's got a little grilling area. This is rent restricted here, so 6 months is the minimum, so you will not have any transient short-term renters here. Is a lot of second homeowners and full-time residents that live in this complex. This property is called the Enclave at Oak Hill. It is excellent location, excellent bang for your buck, great value here. Really, if this is a price point that you're in, you really couldn't beat this. Absolutely love it here. All right, guys, that is going to do it for today's video at the Enclave at Oak Hill in Gulf Shores. Hope you enjoyed this video. We absolutely love this location. Great price, great deal, great bang for your buck. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, we hope to see you around town.
I get footmarks on your shades that tip the sand. Where the Gulf breeze blows, it's a wonderland. Orange Beach living, oh it feels so right. From sun